Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how you can install a theme or a plugin to your WordPress website manually using your cPanel account. So there are several situations when you need to upload a custom theme, probably a premium theme you bought from another website or a theme that was designed for you, and you need to upload it to your website, and the default way of uploading themes and plugins to your website might not work for some reasons, and the only options you are left with is to manually upload it through your cPanel. So today I'm going to show you how you can do just that, and it doesn't require any technical skills, so anybody can do this with ease. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial. To install a theme on a normal mode, you need to come down to appearance and select themes. So while we're here, we need to click on add new. So I'm going to click on add new. So on this page, you can either search for a free theme on the WordPress directory here or upload your custom theme. So if this method does not work for you, you can use your cPanel option, which I'm going to show you in the coming steps. So if you want to install the plugin also, it follows the same method. Just come to plugins and select add new. And here you can also search for a free theme on the WordPress plugin directory or upload your custom theme. So what if all these options does not work for you? Let me teach you how you can upload your theme and plugins through the cPanel. So while we're logged in inside our cPanel account, what we need to do is to search for file manager in our search bar. We're just going to click on file manager. So here is where you manage all the files for your websites, for your WordPress websites. So I'm just going to look for the folder for the website I'm working on, which is this. So I'm going to open it. All right, so what we need to go to now is this WP contents. So what we're inside WP contents, as you can see, we have a folder here that says plugins and this one that says themes. So this is in charge of the plugin, while this themes folder is in charge of the themes. So we're going to install the plugin first. So I'm going to click on this folder. I'm going to open it, and here is where we're going to install where we're going to upload our theme that we want to install on our WordPress websites. So we're just going to click on this upload button here. So I'm going to select the plugin I want to install, and we're going to install this classic editor plugin. Okay, now we're going to go back to our folder, and by the time we're going to see the zip file here, and it is very important for me to tell you that you need to upload a zip file for this method to work. So when we upload the zip file, we're then going to extract the zip file into your folder here. So while we've uploaded our zip file, I'm just going to right click on it and click on extract. So I'm going to extract files, and I'm going to close this. So I'm going to reload, and then I'm going to delete the zip file, confirm it, and as you can see, we have the folder for the plugin here. So by the time we go back to our WordPress account and we click on installed plugins here, we can see that the plugin has already been installed, and you can then decide to go ahead to activate the plugin. So we've successfully installed the plugin through our cPanel, and we've activated the plugin. So how do we do that for themes? It follows the same option, but let me show. It follows the same method rather, but let me show you. So while we're back in our cPanel, we need to go back, and then we need to come to themes. So here I'm going to upload our theme. I'm going to select the theme from my computer. So we're uploading this generate press theme. All right, so we're going to go back to our folder, and we're going to extract this theme also. Extract files, and we're going to close this box. So by the time we reload this page, we can see our theme folder here. So we just need to delete this, and we're going to confirm the deletion. So we're going to come back to our admin dashboard and come down to appearance and themes. So here we have it. This is the theme generate press that we installed through our cPanel. So we can decide to activate it and skip and activate theme. All right, so this is how you can install a theme and a plugin to your cPanel websites without using any technical means, without breaking any code, without breaking your websites. Anybody can do this at any time. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you won't miss any time I upload a new video just like this. And then if you have any questions or any video suggestions for me, make sure you drop them down in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.